Morning, sports fans. Well, it's really early in the morning. The sun's in my face. It's a beautiful day. I'm on my way to motofit. If you don't know what that is, it's like a training program for athletes, really. I know, athlete. Basically, I won a competition online. I won a full weekend with this motofit. I can only make the one day, which is the Enduro training day, so I get a free training session today. My friend Hugh's going. Yeah, as far as I know, motofit is like sort of the nutrition side of, you know, to be better at sports, the training side of Enduro, motocross. They put you on cool regimes and stuff. So I'm getting trained today by a professional. I don't know who it is, I'll see when I turn up. But hopefully I'll be able to film it, document it for you, and maybe motofit might be something you'd want to do. I've never been interested in training myself because I just mess around on my bike. I don't compete, I don't take it seriously. But saying that, I'm quite excited to see what today has to offer. I could probably learn a lot. Holy hell, that is so bright. Yeah, I could probably learn a lot. This is ridiculous. Yeah, so I'm quite excited. Thanks to the guys at motofit. Hopefully we'll have a good day, so I'll check in with you in a bit. I'm just going to go meet Hugh in a service station. I think he's going to have a big fat bacon bat. Well boys, we are here at St. Wells for the motofit training day. Just me and Hugh. Zebra. Oh, he doesn't like that. Yeah, I think in the first thing now we're going to learn some corners on the track, and then we're going to do some hard enduro. The track is still quite slick, so we've been told to go out for 20 minutes, kind of bed it in a bit because it is like, I don't trust hitting a berm yet. Well, that's a booter. Well, I wasn't sure how I felt about a training day, but I'm open to learning more. You know, maybe I'll get a little bit less stick then. Everyone's like, how you got 100,000 subscribers because you're so bad at riding? Well, how are you so good at riding and you've only got 10? Ask yourself that question. So off the track into this enduro section. This is like the small one. Apparently later on we're going to go do the big one, the other side of the track here. Big ruts in it. Wow. I mean, it hasn't rained in like a month. I tell you, another thing I need to work on is this arm pump. I'm trying to grip the tank on my knees, but the tank doesn't want to be hugged, or my knees are just too slippery. What are these noises coming out of my mouth? That's exactly how I did it. How can you go that fast? Well, apparently we've got to do like road lines. Outside, inside, outside, inside, and then it should make you faster. Because basically what you're saying is going outside to inside, outside to inside to keep your speed up. So go outside to inside. That's it. Okay, we're getting it. think it's Jamie Lewis, the one that's taken this, and that boy knows his stuff. We're getting there, boys. Progress is key. Outside. That's better. It's nice to have someone pushing you a bit, you know? It's usually Rob pushing me in a ditch or something. No wonder it's called motofit. You need to be fit. I've done about 100 laps, jeez. He's watching me on every corner. It's quite annoying when you just got someone like, you're doing it all wrong. Do you know me, bro? I make a living off doing it all wrong. Ooh. Hit a post. I was just moving out of the way for everyone else. Oh, you're good, aren't you? Oh, that could have ended badly. Oh, nice. Oh, Jesus Christ, he does that every time. Oh, mate, someone's seriously going to get hurt. Oh, I'm just going to stand here all day. Let's give it a go.
What's he saying?
I'm going to go launch it now. Jump the rock garden and the tyres. Yeah. Oh, let's give it a f***ing bash then. Smashing the hard enduro stuff. Who's this guy? Where did he come from? Who's this guy? Oh, I mean, I just love enduro. I love it. Like, you know, motocross is alright, but it's just not. It's not got it. It's not got it for me. I like the rocks. I like the roughness. Yeah, enduro. Oh, this guy came up to me earlier. Watches the videos. Didn't catch his name though. I'm really bad at that. Sorry, bro. I should have caught your name. I suck. But anyway, I'll put you on camera. He's quick, bro. Oh, tricky.
I'll follow you up there.
Which way are we going?
I'm going to go through the fence, up straight up. And we straight
Up
on
that one there on the left, or the...
straight on it.
I told him I wasn't good in the little ruts, so he's going to follow me. Yeah, I told him I wasn't good in the tight single ruts, so I think he's going to have a look. Which he's just watched me how much I suck at it, and then he can pinpoint me where I'm going wrong. Did you see I'm like all over the place?
Yeah, you need a little bit more speed to do it, because the speed you're going, you're a little bit...
Yeah, I'm always having to dab.
Yeah.
Like it's like I'm off balance.
There's not many people going to go up there without a dab, mind. That is quite tricky.
Yeah, because I don't know, you know when you're going through stuff like that, where should your weight
I
be?
thought you rode that quite well. Most people will be dabbing all the time up there.
Yeah, I feel like, I don't know whether I'm just getting the weight in the wrong place or something.
You always got to try and like aim on the camber. You always got to aim high all the time.
Right. Yeah, it's confusing because I've not long jumped on the 300 from a 250, so I'm just getting my bearings on what gears to be in. Like I was going up there in third, didn't I? And then you overtook me. I had to go down to second. It's just confusing.
Yeah, your speed is a little bit in between the gears.
Yeah.
It's almost like if you do a little bit quicker to carry the third,
Yeah.
the bike will track better. When you're down in the second and your speed is down, the bike is just, because it's down the box, it's not...
Yeah, because sometimes I'm like quite high in second, it's really snappy,
Yeah.
and then I go into third and then it's not enough.
Yeah, but
Maybe let's do third faster, maybe.
Yeah, if you can do third faster, the bike's on the track and handle a lot better, see? When you're down the gears and you, like I was saying earlier, you snap
Yeah.
the throttle, but the thing is spitting.
So what would you go up here in now?
I'm in third.
In third, and just a bit more pace.
Trying to carry the speed, a bit more pace. Start off with you know, the intention to go up there pretty fast in third.
Yeah.
Because when you get up that bit, on the turns, you're going to end up slowing down and you're going to want to knock in the second there.
Okay. So I have to go up there without the dust in my face.
You go first then.
Yeah, I'll go for it. You're quicker than me, so I'll go for it.
Coming up there, your feet were still a little bit
Forward.
So the further back, the quicker you're going to react in that rut to balance.
So on the toe, yeah, that's a weird one to get used to, isn't it? One thing I wanted about today was feet position, because I've always known it's such a big thing, but getting used to riding on your toes when you've been riding flat foot for so long.
So hard to change.
Yeah. Alright, let's try up here then. That was way better. Where did I come from then? Didn't realise I had that in me. That was way better. Oh, this kind of like loose ground is fun stuff. It's like sand. You can like just rinse it. Slide. It's hard to see behind here though, because it's just literally a dust storm. But man, I wish I could just ride this enduro loop every day. It's one of the best places I've ridden. St. Wells. Woo. Like, I want to stay close to Hugh to film him, but it's so dusty. Oh, the boys are going to be so jealous. I've learned so much today. I keep banging on about the foot position, but it's changed my life. It's ridiculous. It takes a while to get used to get it in your brain when you've been riding flat foot for so long, but if you can get it, it's so good. Ooh, I'm all out of shape. I'm learning to take the more technical stuff a bit slower because I'm trying to win a race when I'm not even racing. But what a cool loop. Let's see if we can do these ruts a bit better. Oh no. Just hit me all of a sudden that I'm really tired. I must have burnt about 20 million calories today. My arms are dead, I don't know why I'm doing this hill again. This lap, right, if you were racing it, honest to God, it'll kill you. I'm dead. Yes, this foot position is actually crazy how much difference it makes. I didn't realize it would make so much difference, but my God, it's crazy. I like not using the back brake and using the front brake more. I was explaining to him about, well, you heard, about which gear to be in and stuff. It's so nice having a professional tell you exactly how to ride your bike. I've never really thought about getting training, but when you get it, oh, it's worth it. It really is worth it. Just shame we've only got not that long left on this. But it's going to help me loads. I can't wait to put it into action in the woods, up the hills, in the bogs. They should have bog. Maybe I should do my own bog training. How to get out of bogs. It's been a good day, boys. This is honestly worth it. It's really good group of lads that run it. Everyone's nice. There's no heads. Although most people who ride bikes are alright. Alright. Well, boys, it's been an epic day at St. Wells with motofit. I'm absolutely knackered, but what a great day. I suggest you try them out, have a look. I'll leave a link in the description. Go check them out. I'm gonna go back to my van and eat some sweets. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Right there, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.